Pinoy Bex.
Welcome to Pinoy Bex. Ang bago nating problem ngayon ay mula sa ME Board, October 1992. The problem states that in how many ways can a PSME, Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers chapter with 15 directors choose a president, a vice president, a secretary, a treasurer, and an auditor if no member can hold more than one position. So, para mas mabilis nating maunawaan, meron tayong figure. So, may nilagay ako na meron tong 5 section. So, para sa president, so, vice president, okay, secretary, treasurer, and auditor. Para sa president, so meron tayong 15 na pwede nating pagpilian. So meron tayong 15. Okay. Dun sa vice president, since meron lang nakuhang isa, so ang matitira na lang na pwedeng pagpilian ay 14. 14. Secretary, again, so meron ng dalawang nawala. So meron, ang natira is 13. And treasurer is 12. And for the auditor, 11 na lang yung pwede na lang pagpilian. So, meron tayong dalawang method na pwede nating gamitin. So, yung una, using the fundamental principle of counting. By the way, so let n is equivalent to total number of ways. And by using the fundamental principle of counting, the n is equivalent to the number of ways na presidente na pwede tayong makapili ng presidente multiplied sa vice president, secretary, treasurer, and auditor. N is equivalent to 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11. So, for a total of 360,360 ways. So, ito yung ating sagot for the total number of ways. Nasabi ko kanina na pwede natin gamitin yung ating permutation formula. So, n is equivalent to n permutation r, so which is equivalent to, yung n natin is 15 permutation taken r at a time, so 5. So this is equal to, so we have 15 factorial divided by, so 15 minus 5, the quantity factorial. So this is equal to 360,360 ways. Ayan. So, pwede mo naman yung i-check using your calculator. So, input mo lang. So, 15 permutation 5. So, ang magiging resulta niyan ay 360,360 ways. So, finalize lang natin yung ating sagot. So, there are 360,360 ways. We can choose president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and auditor. And that's all. So, I hope natutunan nyo kung paano isolve yung ating problem sa ngayon. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel para sa mga susunod kong mga video ay maantabayanan ninyo. So, again, thank you.
Pinoy Bex.